How to use Live Wallpaper on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Settings application on your device and then tap on the Wallpaper option you see there. Further, go ahead and tap on the Add New Wallpaper option you see there and now. Further, now go ahead and tap on the Live Photo option you see there on top, and now you will be able to view all the live photos on your iPhone. Now, in this particular interface, go ahead and select the live image that you want to add as your wallpaper. Further, you will then be required to adjust the wallpaper by pinching and dragging according to your preference. Additionally, go ahead and make sure the live icon on the bottom left of your screen is enabled, as if this button is disabled, the picture will appear as a normal picture and not as live wallpaper. Additionally, you can also adjust your time screen, or you can also add widgets if you want. Now, go ahead and make any required changes and then finally tap on the Add button on the top right of your screen. You can then go ahead and customize your home screen, or you can also set as wallpaper appear. I will customize my home screen, so go ahead and make any required changes and then tap on the Done option on the top right of your screen. And with this, as you can see, your wallpaper has been changed and the wallpaper will appear as live wallpaper now. So this was about how you can use live wallpaper on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.